Zoomcar, a pioneering car-sharing platform, has demonstrated its commitment to transparency and customer safety by promptly disclosing a data security incident. Although a hacker accessed the personal data of approximately 8.4 million users, the company's swift response and proactive measures have mitigated potential damage. Upon discovering the incident, Zoomcar sprang into action, activating its incident response plan and implementing additional safeguards to prevent further unauthorized access. The company's investigation has revealed that sensitive financial information, plaintext passwords, and other critical identifiers were not compromised, thanks to its existing security measures. Zoomcar is working closely with third-party cybersecurity experts to investigate and contain the breach, and has notified regulatory and law enforcement authorities, cooperating fully with their inquiries. Zoomcar's operations remain unaffected, and the company continues to serve its vast user base of over 10 million customers across 99 cities, with a fleet of over 25,000 cars. The company's growth trajectory remains strong, with a 19% year-on-year increase in car rentals and a significant jump in contribution profit. The company's proactive approach and dedication to customer safety will be crucial in maintaining customer trust. With its extensive presence in India, Egypt, Indonesia, and Vietnam, Zoomcar is still a force for delivering innovative mobility solutions to its customers. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.